Hi guys, it's me again, Nelborn of Lagkaw ni Bong's garden. I have here a ano to, marble Congo. I got this tiny one, very small one, and now lumaki na siya sa kanyang pot, masikip na siya. So I decided na ilipat ko siya in a new one, bigger pot. So I'm gonna start now. Tapos i-remove ko siya dito. Oh. Actually, this plant came along from Davao, Mental Davao. Ayan. Ikaw, dyan. Oh, I see. A smoke coat. Yan. Tapos, after the smoke coat, needs to yan. Before, I used to collect not premium plants, but now I decided na mag-collect og premium plants kay dili mas la kung ordinary lang sila nga plants, dili sila kuan competitive sa uban. So, dapat imong plants competitive sila sa uban. Para na again maibog, may mo palit. So that's it. I'm almost done. Nada ko magtingog sa in-in. Medyo tingog ka na ako. Let's pick this one. And now I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.